Let's look at question 54 from the same ACT math test. For this particular problem to be placed up at position 54, the authors must have felt that the problem is more difficult than most of the other problems on the test, or that students may have forgotten a simple fact from their geometry course that they would need in order to answer this problem. The geometry questions do tend to be the most difficult questions on the ACT math test. Trigonometry questions, there's only 4 of them, and they are fairly simple questions, and students can be shown how to answer those 4 questions with no problem. Now, what students may have forgotten about this problem, and intend I find that most of them do, is that simply the length of any 2 sides of a triangle must be greater than the length of the third side. For example, if we look at possible answer F, if I have sides of lengths 1 and 2, 3 is not an acceptable length for the third side. We need something greater than 3, because 1 plus 2 is equal to 3, so F is no good. Answer G, 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. It would need to be greater than 7, so G is no good. H, 3 plus 7 is less than 11. Again, no good. It would have to be greater than. J, 4 plus 9 is less than 16. Again, you could not make a triangle with those lengths. Cut some popsicle sticks or string and try it. It's not possible. K, 5 plus 8 is greater than 10. That works. 8 plus 10 is greater than 5. That works. 10 plus 5 is greater than 8. That works. So K is our correct answer.